Why is it important for teachers to introduce discipline measures to students on the first day of classes? Discipline doesn't have to be a scary word for students when teachers introduce measures in the right way and help to build good teacher-student relationships. As part of the overall approach to classroom management, discipline strategies should focus on behavior management. How well students manage their own behavior in the class depends on their motivation. In this video, we look at discipline strategies in K-12 education and offer free downloadable resources for teachers to use in the classroom. At the end of this video, consider signing up to receive our free classroom management strategies guide for maintaining discipline in the classroom. When students are told what discipline means and what rewards and consequences are part of the discipline routine, then classroom management is made easier. Rewards versus consequences. Rewards and consequences are seen as a tool for motivation. However, this idea of rewards and consequences and how effective they will be in behavior management depends on two factors: age and the kind of motivation. Age requirements. Students in the primary stages, that is K-5 grades, look at rewards as a way to connect with their teacher and consequences as preventing them from connecting with their teacher. The more rewards they get, the more their teacher likes them and sees them as a good student. Students in the middle stages, that's 6th grade and older, don't see rewards as important in connecting with their teacher because they generally see the value of connecting with their peers to be more important. Intrinsic versus extrinsic motivation. Teachers need to present rewards so that students find their motivation is for themselves and not because they deserve the external reward that teacher has promised. We see intrinsic motivation as rewards for our own personal gain, such as learning new material for our own benefit, and extrinsic motivation as in getting a high grade for all the work we do. Gifts and rewards are always fun to receive, but students should know that the most important point in the reward system is to choose good behavior because it is important for one's own happiness. In other words, students should be looking for their intrinsic motivation, achieving rewards and avoiding consequences, not for external gains, but because they want to work hard for their own personal happiness and success. Discipline strategies versus classroom management. If classroom management is made easier, then teaching and learning is made even easier. And that means more time for interesting and valuable discussions to take place, making learning more enjoyable for everyone. Discipline strategies are ways in which students recognize their own behavior leads to actions that can lead to negative consequences if not managed correctly. What discipline strategies are not is a form of punishment. Discipline versus punishment. Punishment has no place in the classroom. The attitudes and work students show in the classroom and the teacher's response can impact on their mental health and their learning. When students are not fulfilling their responsibilities in the classroom when it comes to their behavior or their work, teachers should have students reflect on these issues. Free resources for discipline strategies. At the end of this video, click to find free resources to help teachers deal with behavior and homework issues in the classroom. In the old days, the threat of physical punishment may have silenced the expression of thought. It did not do much in the way of intrinsic motivation, which is really what matters and what helps students improve their behavior and learning. EduKitchen would like to hear from you. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below on our discipline strategies for the classroom. And please remember to like, share, and subscribe to EduKitchen Recipes for Learning for more videos like this. And until next time, keep learning and have fun.